I'm delighted to announce the release of VoIP Detective version 2.2, adding even more exciting features to the best and easiest call reporting solution for users of Cisco Call Manager, Cisco Cube, Cisco Webex Calling, and Microsoft Teams. VoIP Detective offers both a paid and fully free version. We've created VoIP Detective to fit any size organization, designed to be used by administrators, managers, and end users. VoIP Detective makes it easy for anyone to pull phone system reports. So let's get into the new features of version 2.2. One of the first things you'll notice when logging into VoIP Detective is our new admin dashboard. In this example, we have every phone system turned on in VoIP Detective: Call Manager, Cube, Microsoft Teams, and Webex Calling. Each one of those systems will have a graph created in real time. You'll be able to see useful information such as error calls, top talkers, and more. We can change the time frame of the graph from hourly down to 10 minutes, grouping the calls differently. Another small improvement in this release is support for dark mode. Okay, let's move on to talk more about changes in our reports. We've improved the look and feel of our reports. As an example, let's look at this Call Manager report. You can see that we now have a call graph at the top with more details further down. As usual, you can mouse over any section of the graph to get more information. And you can export these at the bottom, or set this up to be a tailored report, which allows it to be emailed to you at the time and frequency you request. One of our most popular additions in this release is reporting for Microsoft Teams calling. VoIP Detective now pulls data from Microsoft and can report on calls in and out of your organization, just like we do for Call Manager and Webex. Administrators get a full feature admin search where you can see call metrics, participants, and more. If your organization has a Microsoft calling plan or uses direct routing, we can report on that information as well. As always, you can export this data at the bottom of the report or set it up as a tailored report. We've made changes to our most popular report, the Team Search. Here, you can have an administrator assigned group of users or numbers that are assigned to a manager. This way, the manager can quickly view their call logs. In this example, let's look at Aaron's team. We'll include the average duration of calls, and we'll exclude Aaron's calls. And let's go ahead and look for this week. It's going to take a minute for this report to load, but once it does, we'll be able to see the inbound, outbound, unanswered, and total call summaries for each member of Aaron's team. We'll see these external link icons. We can click on these to go to the details page for that particular piece of information. As we scroll down, we'll see a bar chart that offers calls by user by day. Below that, we have two pie charts: number of calls and total talk time. At the bottom, we have 4 export options. We can export a summary with call totals. We can break this out by day by user. We can show detailed data, which is a listing of each call, or we can export a raw call list that allows you to further manipulate it in Excel. Each one of these options can be exported in CSV, PDF, or Excel, and each one of these can be made into a tailored report. This means they'll be emailed to you whenever you choose. As you can see from this list, we have a number of bug fixes included in this release. More excitingly though, we have a number of new features as well. Here are some of our new features for this release. The majority of these new features have come from customer requests. So if there's something you'd like to see built into VoIP Detective, just let us know. And here are even more new features. As always, you can go to voipdetective.com to view our complete changelog. Existing VoIP Detective users can upgrade by going to Administration Update, then clicking on the Update button. We like to keep upgrading simple and painless. If you've never used VoIP Detective, you can download it today for free using links in this video's description. As always, please follow us on LinkedIn or your favorite social media platform. We post daily to social media and would love to have you follow us.